Let's get you breaking news coming in on the Delhi elections. The AIMIM has gone ahead and given a ticket to a riot-accused ex-councillor. Tahir Hussain, accused in the Delhi riots, has been fielded and given a ticket by Asaduddin Owaisi. Owaisi was also seen meeting with the family members of Tahir Hussain. Remember that this former councillor accused in the Delhi riots is currently behind bars. And despite that, a ticket has been given by the AIMIM to him. It's led to a political showdown as well.
ऐसे हत्यारे जिहादी ताहिर हुसैन को दिल्ली के चुनाव के मैदान में उतारकर दिल्ली के हिंदुओं को चुनौती देने की कोशिश की जा रही है। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं ओवैसी से और सभी जिहादी सेकुलर नेताओं से और पार्टियों से, ताहिर हुसैन जैसे हत्यारे के नाम पर दिल्ली के हिंदुओं को चुनौती देने की कोशिश की और दिल्ली में दंगे करवाने की कोशिश की तो अंजाम तुम्हारी 7 पीढ़ियां याद रखेंगी।
Okay, let's bring in Kumar Kunal for more details on this. Kumar, what is in fact the AIMIM's defense at a time when Tahir Hussain is still behind bars? He's been granted bail in one case, yes, but he's still accused in others, because of which he's in jail, and despite that he's been given a ticket.
And that's why he is a controversial figure, and that's why there are several questions which have been raised by different political parties, that why AIMIM has decided to give Tahir Hussain a ticket for assembly elections from Mustafabad. We have with us Delhi president of AIMIM, Mr. Shoaib Jamai right now. Mr. Jamai, why have you given an accused a ticket, and accused in Delhi riot case? Why have you given? What was the thought behind this?
I think it's a very refreshing and welcoming step in Delhi politics. Our party president and we believe that Tahir Hussain is not the accused of the Delhi riot, but actually he is the victim of the Delhi riot. And this is a very symbolic gesture to all those the victim of the Delhi riots who still are awaiting for the for the insaf and justice. And I believe that this could be a very refreshing thing, and we will fight the election in.
But still, court has not given a judgment in favor of Tahir Hussain. He is still inside the jail. How you can see that he is a victim and not an accused?
Why singly marked Tahir Hussain? There are lots of accused in so many criminal cases who were lodged in jail and fought election from there, won the election from there. They are in the major parties, national parties. So why only target Tahir Hussain? I don't know. Just because he's a Muslim? Why Aam Aadmi Party and Kejriwal or Congress targets Tahir Hussain?
Don't you think that it will actually help BJP in polarizing the Delhi election scenario? And that has been what you are being accused of, that Mr. Owaisi enters poll fray just by a single point agenda to benefit the BJP.
I don't think we are here to help anyone. We are here to help ourselves. We are here to help the people of the Delhi, people of the Northeast Delhi especially, who are waiting for the justice after the Delhi riots. And you know, Justice Lokur report has very correctly said that, and it is very evident that Arvind Kejriwal was involved in Delhi riots. His hand is in Delhi riots, and I believe it is the amalgamation of the both parties, BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, and they ditched the Muslims of the Delhi. And as a welcoming step, our party has decided to field Tahir Hussain, former AAP councillor from Mustafabad Assembly seat, and we will soon announce another list for other constituencies, and definitely.
Okay, so you've got the AIMIM there defending the move, saying that they believe he's a victim, not an accused in these riots. Listen in to what the BJP has to say.
जो लोग कत्लेआम कर रहे हैं, दूसरे धर्मों के लोगों के दंगे फसाद कर रहे हैं, मरवा रहे हैं, ये वही काम है जो कांग्रेस ने कभी किया था सज्जन कुमार, जगदीश टाइटर, HKL भगत को टिकट देकर। कि जो सिखों को मारेगा हम उसको एमपी बनाएंगे, मंत्री बनाएंगे, बड़े बड़े ओहदे देंगे। अब ओवैसी भी यही काम कर रहे हैं कि जो हिंदुओं को मारेगा हम उसको ओहदे देंगे, हम एमएलए बनाएंगे, हम एमपी बनाएंगे। देश के अंदर इस राजनीति को रोकना पड़ेगा। इलेक्शन कमीशन को आज जरूर ये सोचना पड़ेगा। और देश के अंदर अगर इस तरह की राजनीति ने पनपने लगी तो देश के अंदर कोई सुरक्षित नहीं रहेगा। मारने वालों को इनाम दिए जाएंगे और मंत्री और एमएलए बनाया जाएगा। पहले कांग्रेस ने वो काम किया था, आज ओवैसी भी वही काम कर रहा है। इसलिए देश के लोगों को और दिल्ली के लोगों को सोचना होगा।